Let's take a look at two pieces of student work from number 2. The problem was 379 plus 150. Take a look at work from student A and B and think to yourself, who accurately used expanded notation addition to help us add? Make sure you write down the letter of the student that you agree with and start to take notes on why you agree. When I say show, get ready to show me A or B high above your head. Get ready. Show. I see some A's, I see some B's. Let's talk about it. If you agree with student B, why do you agree with student B? I heard friends say that they agree with student B because student B regrouped 100 from the tens place and added that value to the hundreds place. Because they regrouped 100 to the hundreds place, they added 100 plus 300 plus 100 to get 500. Their final answer was 529. If you agree with student B, what mistake did student A make? Say it out loud. That's exactly right. Student A also regrouped 100 from the tens place, but they forgot to add that value to the hundreds place. They had 300 plus 100, which gave them 400 in the hundreds place for an answer of 429. Student B is correct. Nice work. When we regroup 10 of a smaller unit or place value, we must always remember to add that value we regrouped to the next largest place value. If you have a tough time remembering it, a strategy that some friends use is just drawing an arrow from the value that you regrouped to the place where it needs to go. That might help you remember to always add the value we regrouped to the next largest place value.